Hello everyone, welcome to AWS Demos. In this exercise, we will practice removing an Amazon EBS volume from a stop drive and attaching it to another instance to recover the data. For doing this, we will create two instances of Microsoft server. From first server, we will detach the volume by terminating it and then attach this volume to another instance, which we will be shown has an extra drive in second volume in our second instance. Okay, let's get started. So our first step will be to launch an instance in the Amazon EC2 console. For this, please refer to my previous video. I have explained better that how to launch an instance in AWS. First we will go to EC2. Here we will create two Microsoft instances. We will launch instance, we will select it, we will select generation of let's say m4.large, and then next configure instance detail, next add storage. Okay, next add tags. We will add a tag here, name, and add to it source, source. Then we'll configure a security group. Make sure that RDP, choose instance type, choose AMI. Sorry, we have chosen here. We will choose here Windows Server 2016. Yes. Next. Now I'll go to configure step, add storage. We will add our root volume this. Now we will add a tag. Now we will configure security group. Now we will show that RDP is accessed. Source can be from anywhere. Then we will add a rule for SSH also, SSH from anywhere. Then we will review and launch it. We will choose a same key pair, that is Shubham 3521, and launch instance. Okay, now we will start our second instance, which is of same Windows Server 2016 base. Let it be m4.large, and next configure instance detail. Next add storage, add tags. Let add tag be name and destination, name and destination. Let it be capital and AME name and then configure security group. Make sure that RDP and SSH are both present, from anywhere, source from anywhere. Then we will review and launch it. We will choose the same key pair as previous, that is Shubham 3521. We will launch an instance. We will go to check that instance state is running or not. We will go to issue to dashboard. We have only one running instances, so one is pending in state. Which one is pending? Destination is pending. So we will wait for 3 to 4 minutes so that our password is created and our instance state both show run. Okay, once both the instances are running, stop the first instance and make a note of the instance ID. So our source instance ID is I034. We will stop it. Instance state stop. Okay, now we can see that our source instance is stopped. Now we will go to volume, and our source volume ID is this. We will just action and detach volume. Yes, detach. So it is detached. Okay, now our volume is available. We will go to actions and attach volume. We will attach it to our destination instance, device attach. Now we can see that attachment information for both, which is exactly same. Now we will open our RDP client of our second instance. So I will go to EC2 instance, one running instance. I will click on it and try to connect it, download the remote desktop file for it, get a password, choose a file. I will get a password from shubham3521.pam, decrypt the password, copy this password and open our RDP client. We will try to connect it. We'll username administrator and copy the password here. We'll connect it. Connect. So once you are in the destination instance, go to Windows Administrative Tools and Computer Management. Go to Storage and Disk Management. Here you find that disk 30 GB from the source is offline. Click Create Online. It is shown online. Let's check if this is shown or not. This PC, okay, both drives are shown with exactly same content. This was the volume from our source instance. So the volume removed from the stop source drive can now be read as the drive D on the destination instance, so its data can be retrieved. Okay, thank you.